Hey lovelies, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be juicing to help strengthen the immune system. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and click the notification bell. So as always guys, we start by washing our fruit. I'm using some baking soda and white vinegar to do this. Sit your fruits in this bowl of water for about 10 minutes before rinsing them out. Use a second bowl of water to give them a thorough rinse to make sure it's nicely done. Use a clean cloth or paper towel to dry off the water on your fruits before you prepare them for juicing. Afterwards, you can go ahead, peel off your fruits and chop them off and get your juicer ready to start juicing. For my juice today, I'll be using 2 large oranges, 6 red apples, 1 inch slice of ginger, 1 pomegranate, and 1 lemon. And now I'm just going to prepare all my fruits and get them ready for juicing. So I'll be using just the pomegranate seeds, and one of my favorite methods of taking out the seeds from my pomegranate is using a bowl of water, just like how I'm doing in this video. It comes out super easy, nice and clean, and I hope you try this method at home. So all my fruits are nicely chopped. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you for being here. Go ahead now and prepare your juicer and start juicing. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell if you haven't done so already. And if you don't have a juicer at home, you can always use a blender to achieve same result. So I'm just passing my juice through a strainer just to take out any pulp that is left in there. I don't like finding bits and pieces in my juices when I'm drinking them. This is optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. Let's transfer all this goodness in my medicine jar and see how much this batch yielded. We have about 4 cups, which is 32 ounces. Go ahead now and serve this in your glass and enjoy. This juice is loaded with vitamin C. It's highly nutritious. It's rich in fiber, rich in antioxidants, and it helps to support and promote a healthy immune system. So go ahead and try this recipe today with your loved ones. It's kids friendly. If you have kids who are fussy in consuming their fruits, juicing is an amazing way to incorporate more fruits and veggies in their diet. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hit that like button on this video. And until next time, guys, stay healthy. See you in my next video. Bye.